الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ये जो सामने बच्चे खड़े हुए हैं ना, नीचे बैठे।
The most gracious, the most merciful. Allah is merciful, but Allah wants people to obey Him. He sent prophet to teach us. He sent prophet to tell us what is wrong and what is right. Allah sent prophet to different people at different times. How many prophets did Allah send in all? No one knows the correct number, only Allah knows. The first man was prophet, his name was Adam alayhi salam. Nuh alayhi salam was a prophet, Ibrahim alayhi salam was a prophet, Musa alayhi salam was a prophet, Isa alayhi salam was a prophet, and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was the last prophet. Prophet were human began, they had a body. They walk and talk, they had children also. A prophet cannot be God, Allah good the prophet. The prophet teach the people, a Muslim believes in the prophet of Allah. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ. Assalamu alaikum.
खुदा कर